Transferring Amex points to Delta is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, visit the American Express website and log in to your account. Once logged in, go to the Membership Rewards section of your account. This is where you can manage your membership rewards points. If you haven't already linked your Delta SkyMiles account to your American Express account, you will need to do so. Now, look for an option to add or link frequent flyer programs within the Membership Rewards section. Follow the prompts to link your Delta SkyMiles account. After that, find the option to transfer points to airline partners. Now, in the Membership Rewards section, there should be a list of airline partners eligible for point transfers. Then, select Delta SkyMiles from the list. Now, follow the prompts to enter the number of membership rewards points you want to transfer to Delta SkyMiles. American Express usually has a minimum transfer requirement. The transfers are typically made in increments of 1,000 points. After that, review the transfer details, including the number of points to be transferred and any associated fees or restrictions. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Transfers of membership rewards points to Delta SkyMiles may take some time to process. The time it takes for the transfer to complete can vary, but is usually within a few days. Once the transfer is complete, you should receive confirmation from American Express and Delta SkyMiles that the points have been transferred to your frequent flyer account. With the points now in your Delta SkyMiles account, you can use them to book award flights, upgrades, or other redemption options offered by Delta Airlines or its partners.